Hello everyone, my name is Brandon Evers, your residential and commercial realtor here in Greater Phoenix area. Today I wanted to talk to you about what is earnest money, because this is something that clients are always surprised when I bring it up. What is earnest money?
Let's find out now.
Earnest money is an amount of money you put down to show the seller you are serious about purchasing the home. It's also known as a good faith deposit. Typically, earnest money is about 1 to 3% of the purchase price. So for example, if you have a $300K home price, 1% is $3,000. When is earnest money deposited? Typically within the first week of being under contract, so you will always want to make sure that you have the money in your account to get this done. How do you get money to title? When you open title, the buyer will either write a personal check or wire the funds to title. These funds are held in an escrow account until the deal is completed. Then the escrow money is applied to the down payment or closing costs when the deal closes. Is my earnest money refundable? The answer to this is yes, if you cancel during the due diligence period. The due diligence period is when you do your home inspection, termite inspection, and pool inspection if you have a pool. During this time, you may want to go through the HOA fees and guidelines as well. Even drive the neighborhoods at different times of the day. During this inspection period, you can do as much research as you would like. If you find anything that is a deal breaker and you cancel, your money is refundable to you. But if you get past the inspection period, the appraisal gets done and comes in at the value the lender said you are good to go, and then you cancel, this is when the seller is entitled to keep your earnest deposit money as damages if you are ever in breach of contract. Now this is something that is very important to me because I cannot have a client losing money. So if you are a client of mine, I always make sure you are aware of this. So if you are working with a realtor, I hope they are doing the same thing for you and making sure that you understand how this works. Typically, there are 3 contingencies your agent should be talking to you about. And they are the inspection contingency, financing contingency, and appraisal contingency. Inspection contingency. Not happy with certain things on the house and you cancel during the due diligence period, you are entitled to get your money back. Financing contingency. If you cancel prior to having your loan approval, for example, the market changes and interest rates just jump so you cannot afford the payment anymore, or the lender denies you the loan because something happened, like you lost your job, you're able to cancel prior to expiration of the financing contingency, and you are entitled to a refund of your earnest money deposit. Appraisal contingency. If the property does not appraise for the purchase price and circumstances, you are entitled to get your earnest money back. But if you get past the inspection period, the appraisal gets done and comes in at the value, and the lender said you are good to go, and then you cancel, this is when the seller is entitled to keep your earnest money as damages if you are ever to breach of contract. Now remember, the earnest money is not a fee. This is something that is going to be used towards your closing costs. So if the lender quotes you closing cost of say $10,000 and you have already put down $3,000, then you are only going to need to bring an additional $7,000 to closing. Now this is something that is very important to me because I cannot have clients losing money. So if you are a client of mine, I always make sure that you are aware of this. So if you are working with a realtor, I hope they are doing the same for you, that they are making sure that you understand this and how it works. Thank you everyone for watching my video today. I hope you learned some new helpful information. If you like this video, please hit me with a like and comment, and follow my page to get more real estate information in the future. Once again, I'm Brandon Evers, your residential and commercial realtor here in Greater Phoenix. If you have any questions about what we talked about in today's video, or if you are interested in buying or selling a home in Greater Phoenix area, please comment below or contact me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.